Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is by now. Let me show you how you can recover some of your residual crypto coins. You can recover them to USDT to add up to your USDT. Let me see, for example, this one here, WRX. You can see that it is $7 left there. As it is now, since it's not up to 10 USDT, you cannot recover it or convert it to USDT. So what you do is you add extra coin to it, to make it up to $10. You can see that 6.9057 gave us that 7 point something dollars. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to my Royal Q platform and search for it. I'll go to my Royal Q platform and search for it. This is my Royal Q and search for it. Okay, look at it here, WRX. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll open it. Okay, and add coin to it, allow it to buy. I click start, confirm, and allow it to buy. Okay, you can see it has bought 10 at level 0. So once I allow it to buy small now, this 10 plus 7 there in Binance should give us around 17 something, which is enough to be converted or to be settled. So I'll stop it here. Again, I click on pause, confirm. I'll stop it because you need to stop it in order to sell it in Binance. Okay, so I'll go back to Binance. Okay, you can see it has added up here. It is now 17.52, so it's enough now to be settled. Remember what I had before is 7 point something plus the 10 we added now, that's 17 point something. So at this point now, what I'll do now is to click on it, open it, then search for convert it now or sell it to USDT. Okay, WRX/USDT. I'll click on it. Alright. So I'll now use sell button to convert it to USDT. Okay. But before then, you need to understand what you are doing. Let's go and check the value of our USDT before, so that you see when it added up. So my current value of USDT is 131. So by the time I add 17 points to it, it should increase to 140 or 150. So up to, let me see. Let me see. Okay. 131 plus 17. So I should be expecting around 140 something. Okay. So let's go back to that WRX. Okay. Let's go back to it. Now I open it. I click convert to sell to USDT. I click the sell button. The sell button. Okay. I'll change this one here to market. Remove the limit and put market, so it will take the market price. Okay. Then I'll click on the quantity I want to sell. I want to sell all of them 100%. I'll click on it. Then once I click on it, I can now see that available is $17. That's what I'm supposed to get when I sell. Okay. Then I will now click on sell. I click on it. Okay, it has sold. So what is left now is 0.09. Okay, very minimal. So we'll go back to our wallet and check USDT pound. Okay, it has added to 148. Okay, so our USDT has increased to 148. All right, so that's how to recover it. Okay, that's how to recover it. All right, if you click on sell here, so that's how to sell it. That's how to recover our USDT in